morning, students. So yesterday I have seen, so that is symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, and we have solved some problems on symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, right? So you solve some more problems on symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, right? So express matrix A or express matrix 3, 5, 1 minus 1 as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So already told you. So take that given matrix as A. So that is matrix A is equal to 3, 5, 1 minus 1. Right? So then take transpose of this. So what is transpose? A transpose. What is first row? 3, 5. So that will become first column. So that is 3, 5. What is second row? 1 minus 1. So that will become second column. Right? So what is symmetric matrix? What is symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix is equal to, so that is half into bracket A plus A transpose. Right? So half into bracket A plus A transpose, that is 1 by 2. Now this is matrix A and this is A transpose. Now add these two matrices. That is first element is added with first element. So that is 3 plus 3 is 6. So second element is added with second element. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Right? So third element is added with third element. So that is 1 plus 5 is 6. Right? So fourth element is added with fourth element. That is minus 1 minus 1. So that is equal to minus 2. Right? So add the corresponding elements. So now multiply each elements of the matrix by 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2 into 6, that is 3. 1 by 2 into 6, that is 3. So 1 by 2 into 6, that is 3. And 1 by 2 into minus 2 is minus 1. So that is symmetric part of a given matrix. Next, skew symmetric matrix or skew symmetric part. That is skew symmetric. So that is equal to half into bracket A minus half into bracket A minus A transpose. That is half into bracket. Now this is matrix A, this is A transpose. Now subtract. So now it is 3 minus 3, so that is 0. 3 minus 3, that is 0. So 5 minus 1, so that is 4. Right? So 1 minus 5, so that is minus 4. So next minus 1 minus of minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, so that is 0. So that is multiply 1 by 2 to each element. So that is 1 by 2 into 0, so that is 0. 1 by 2 into 4, so that is 2. So 1 by 2 into minus 4, so that is minus 2. 1 by 2 into 0, so that is 0. Right? So finally, so matrix A is equal to sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. What is symmetric matrix? 3, 3, 3 minus 1 plus skew symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric? 0, 2, minus 2, 0. We can verify by adding. So 3 plus 0 is 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Right? So 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. So any square matrix, we can represent it as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So such problems will be asked for 3 marks. Right? So next, express. So next we will go for, now we have solved 2 cross 2 matrices. Now we will solve, so 3 cross 3 matrix. So there are only 2 problems in NCERT book. So first one, express 3, 3 minus 1. See, 3, 3 minus 1. Right? So minus 2, minus 2, 1. Minus 2, then minus 4, minus 5, 2 as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Procedure is same. So take the given matrix as A. What is matrix A? 3, 3 minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2. This is matrix A. Then take transpose of this. What is transpose of this is? So take transpose. So first row is 3, 3 minus 1. That will become first column. 3, 3 minus 1. So what is second row? Minus 2, minus 2, 1. So that will become second column. So what is third row? Minus 4, minus 5, 2. So that will become third column. Right? So then find same symmetric part. What is symmetric part? That is half into bracket A plus A transpose. That is half into. So now add the two matrices. That is first element added with first element 3 plus 3 is 6, right? So 3 minus 2 is 1. Next minus 1 minus 4, so that is minus 5. Minus 1 minus 4, so that is minus 5. So then minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So minus 2 is minus 4. So 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 is minus 4, right? So minus 4 minus 1, minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. So minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. So then 2 plus 2, so that is also 4. Right, so now I am adding A and A transpose, then multiply each elements of this matrix by 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2 into 6, so that is 3. 1 by 2 into 1, so that is 1 by 2. Right? So 1 by 2 into minus 5, so that is minus 5 by 2. Right? So 1 by 2 into 1, so that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into minus 4, minus 2. 1 by 2 into minus 4, minus 2. 1 by 2 into minus 5, minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 into minus 4, so that is minus 2. 1 by 2 into 4 is 2. So that is symmetric part. So then skew symmetric, see here. Skew symmetric, that is half into bracket A minus A transpose. That is half into bracket. What is A minus A transpose? Subtract. Now 3 minus 3, 0. So 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So minus 1 minus of minus 4 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3. Right? So minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So 1 minus of minus 5, that is plus 5, that is 6. So then minus 4 minus of minus 1, that is minus 3. So minus 5 minus 1, that is minus 6. So 2 minus 2, so that is 0. Right? So multiply each elements by 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2 into 0, 0. 1 by 2 into 5 is 5 by 2. 1 by 2 into 3 is 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into minus 5, minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. 1 by 2 into 6 is 3. Right? So 1 by 2 into minus 3 is minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 6 is minus 6 is minus 3. 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. So multiply each elements by 1 by 2. Now finally matrix A. First we have to write symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? 3, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. What is second row? 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 plus 2. So then 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 0, 3 minus 3 by 2 minus 3, 0. This is symmetric part and this is skew symmetric. Just if you add these two matrices, we should get matrix A. We can verify 3 plus 0. So 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. Right? So 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. That is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. Next minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So here 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is minus 4 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So that is minus 4 by 2. What is minus 4 by 2? So that is minus 2 here. Right? So minus 2 plus 0. That is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Minus 8 by 2. Minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. 2 plus 0. So that is 2. So if you add these two matrices, we should get back the matrix A. So that is a verification of answer. Right? So any square matrix, we can represent it as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So now we'll solve one more. Same express. Next there is one more 3 cross 3 matrix. So that is 2 minus 2 4. 2 minus 2 4. Minus 1 3 4. Minus 1 3 4. 2 minus 2 minus 4. Right, so minus 1 3 4. 1 minus 2 minus 3. as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Take that matrix as A. What is matrix A? So 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. So given matrix, take it as A. Then take transpose of this. That is A transpose. What is first row? 2 minus 2 minus 4. That will become first column. 2 minus 2 minus 4. What is second row? Minus 1 3 4 minus 1 3 4. That will become second column. What is third column? Sorry, third row. It is 1 minus 2 minus 3. So that will become third column. Same. Then symmetric part. So what is symmetric? So that is half into bracket A plus A transpose. That is 1 by 2 into. So add these two matrices. So that is 2 plus 2. So that is 4. Right. So minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Right. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So 3 plus 3. So that is 6. So 4 minus 2. So that is 2. So 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 plus 4 2 minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6. Right. So multiply each element by 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2 into 4. So that is 2. 1 by 2 into minus 3 minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into minus 3 minus 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 6 3. 1 by 2 into 2 1. 1 by 2 into minus 3 minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 1. 1 by 2 into minus 6, that is minus 3. Right. So then skew symmetric part. Skew symmetric, that is half into A minus A transpose. That is half into, now subtract. Right. So 2 minus 2, what is 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 2 minus of minus 1. Minus 2 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Right. So minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. So minus 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2, that is 1. So 3 minus 3, that is 0. So 4 minus of minus 2 plus 2, that is 6. So 1 minus of minus 4, that is plus 4, that is. So 4 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, 6. So 1 minus of minus 4 plus 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Minus 3 minus of minus 3 is plus 3, that is 0. Right. So now multiply all the elements by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. 1 by 2 into minus 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into minus 5 minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1, so that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 0, so that is 0. 1 by 2 into 6, that is 3. 1 by 2 into 5, so that is 5 by 2. 1 by 2 into minus 6, minus 3. 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. Right, so that is skew symmetric part. Finally, write matrix A. First write symmetric part, so that is 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So that is minus 3 by 2, 3, 1. Minus 3 by 2, 1, minus 3. Plus skew symmetric part. So that is 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2, 0, 3, 5 by 2, minus 3, 0. Now we can verify the answer by adding these two. So 2 plus 0, so that is 2. Right. So minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Minus 4 by 2, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Right. So minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 8 by 2, minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. Right. So minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 2. What is minus 2 by 2? Minus 1. So 3 plus 0, so that is 3. So 1 plus 3, so that is 4. Minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, so that is 2 by 2. What is 2 by 2? 1. So 1 minus 3, what is 1 minus 3? Minus 2. So minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3. So if we add these two matrices, we should get matrix A. So then our answer is correct. So this is how we can express given matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So I give some problems as homework. Just try to solve these problems. Express these matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Express these matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. students. So now try to solve this problem. So express this is 2 cross 2, this is 3 cross 3, this is also 3 cross 3. So now try to solve these problems. So express all these matrices as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So there is a 90% probability that there is a problem on symmetric and skew symmetric for 3 marks. Right. So this completes the concept of transpose of matrix, right? Symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix. There is last concept, that is elementary operation, finding the inverse of a matrix by elementary operation. So that will take in the offline class. So that is bit confusion, right? So if I take online, so we may be having more confusions and more doubts. So that concept we can take in the offline classes. So in the next class, so this completes your matrices chapter, right? So already I told you. So in matrix, so there is 1 mark question. There is one mark question. 1 mark questions on definition of matrices. Already explained. Now to read all the definitions of matrices, construction of matrices, construct 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by. So that we have done. So suppose a matrix is having 10 elements. What are the possible orders it can have? Or a matrix is having 5 elements. What are the possible orders it can have? So these are the possible questions for 1 mark. And 3 mark questions. So 3 mark question, so that is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So theorem, they may ask theorem for 3 marks. If not theorem, they may ask problem on symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Or if there is no problem, then we may be having elementary operations. So that I told you that will take in the regular offline classes. So that is finding inverse by elementary operation. If they are not asking on symmetric and skew symmetric, then there will be a question on elementary operation. Yeah, definitely there will be a question on symmetric and skew symmetric or elementary operation. If there is a question on this concept, there is no question on elementary operation. If there is no question on symmetric and skew symmetric, definitely there is a question on elementary operation. And 5 mark question already I told you. So that is on matrix multiplication. So we have seen there are around 5 problems. Already explained all the 5 problems. So that is A into BC is equal to AB into C. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, and given matrix A, then prove that A cube minus 43A minus 23I equal to 0. So such problems. So there is one 5 mark problem on matrix multiplication. So the weightage of this topic is 9 marks. So we have covered all the topics, right? So this completes the chapter, that is matrices, except this elementary operation that we can see in the regular class. So in the next class, we'll start the new topic. So that is determinants. Right, so the continuation of matrices, the advanced concept of matrices is determinants. So that topic will start or will continue in the next class. Right? Thank you. So try to solve these problems today. If you have any doubts, so just you message me in the WhatsApp group. Right? Thank you, friends.